Yo, what's up, my boys? It's 5 a.m. Y'all ready to go to Knott's?
Yeah, bro, we're ready.
How you feeling, Nettie?
Good.
Chilling?
Eric.
What do you feel right now? Are you good?
Oh, yeah, I'm feeling Gucci.
But you, Irvin?
I'm feeling good. I'm excited for today.
You excited?
Yeah.
You sound a little tired, though.
Huh?
You sound a little tired. You chilling?
I'm good.
Alright, what about you, Miguel?
I'm sleeping. I'm ready.
Okay, let's start on Facebook and YouTube. You want to say something, Eric?
Nah, bro, I'm good.
You chilling?
Yeah.
Are you gonna get on the rides?
Yeah.
You're not gonna be scared? You're not gonna be scared?
Huh?
You're not gonna be scared?
Nah, that's gonna be my first time. Right?
Alright, y'all ready?
We're going to Knott's Berry Farm.
You ready, Nettie? Nettie doesn't sing much these days. What about you, Thiago?
To the back. What?
You ready for Knott's Berry Farm?
Yeah.
Sure, what are you getting?
What?
What are you getting?
And a drink.
Alright. Yeah. You ready? That's right.
I think my dad has med glasses. I'm gonna see if I can get on the ride with him.
Oh, we
I'm gonna
gotta
just like put some tape on it or something.
What do you gotta say for the host now? Tia, ¿estás lista? Hey, yo. Hermano.
Y bien, aquí estamos listos ya para empezar este viaje divertido. Nos vamos a divertir. Ahí miren en el video.
You ready? Y'all ready? This is right there. Not very far parking. Dang.
We should all get off, honestly,
For real.
and then save a line for the rest of us.
And just like try not to get hit by a car, you know?
No, déjanos aquí. This looks like the Disneyland entrance. It's at that building.
Scope out the place for some yams, bro.
And then
Dude, I already see some yams. I've been looking at the yams.
That's what you've been looking?
What's he been looking at?
Yams.
That fat guy is definitely not here for the rides. He wants a turkey leg, but I don't think they have it.
Oh, we're actually under the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the
shoot.
best one.
That's crazy.
Remember we took Domino's guys and flipped me off?
Can flip you off?
Yeah, I was like,
Oh, yeah, look, peanuts over there. Oh, look at that. It's crazy. Yo, got the fast lane pass. Just checking out the gift shop real quick. Oh, look. We got Snoopy. This is the group. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, you say that? How are you singing like that? Yeah, you're good. They already said it, yeah, you're good. Just do it, yeah, just do it. Oi! Angel!
eché toda la feria. ¿Me súbete, no sé? ¿Ya no quieres? Ese no está feo. Nomás está horrible. Ay.
You gonna go on hang time right now?
Am I gonna go on what?
The hang time? Boys right here.
Oh, I've done that too many times.
We're just chilling in the break.
It's so awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce?
Still need to finish it.
Dang, this is a lot.
What do you mean? All that today? No. Oh my gosh, I thought he was crying. Chill, boys.
Your ride aboard the Supreme Stream is now over. Please remain seated until the platform comes to a complete stop. and then follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding, and enjoy the rest of your day at Knott's Berry Farm.
Daddy, I did it without screaming.
Cuando baja. Es de nervio, bro. Ya no nos movió, ¿ven?
So here we
This
go.
is
We
cool.
got Snoopy and then we got Woodstock. And
Oh.
look this one. Charlie Brown. Look, it says give.
Which is better though?
Snoopy, Woodstock. Look, it says Snoopy.
You want Snoopy? You all ready or what?
Yes. Even am I going with you?
Whatever.
Going with you?
Yeah, I'll go.
You're going with Eric, right?
What is this about?
I'm saying, just saying.
Coming out.
I know. It's getting interesting.
No.
Oh. I knew it. Nah.
Wait, wait.
Record your fade.
The first salad. Hard? Wait, do you want a hard? The first salad is going to be top. That's the other.
Oh yeah, in and out. You gotta order.
Why do I have a blanket?
We'll have everything off the menu.
Cool to share the blanket.
A fry and a drink?
Sure.
A fry, a drink, and a burger?
I'm gonna milkshake.
Milkshake. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. So,